Hello viewers, welcome back. It is time that we continue with free energy generators, but this time where we will do something different. It is time that we begin to explore the flywheel systems. So the systems which basically use the motor as input and they have generator as output. So basically you need an energy, but you will get a higher output power on the generator than the input you invested into the system via flywheel system. So over there is a chamble first flywheel system, and let us see now the drawings, how does it look like and how it should work.
Alright, so let's see this amazing flywheel system from chamble. So let me turn it around that you see that how I design it. It looks very nice, and I'll try to explain how he managed to get the output power 3 times higher than the input power in his flywheel system. So you can see we have in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flywheels, and then the first and the second is on the motor, and on the generator the last one. Yeah? So it will be totally 6. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, actually 7. So totally 7 flywheels, which will produce output energy bigger than the input energy. So what's the idea? So he claims that this on the left side is the generator, which gives 750 watts of power, and he in the end gets 2300 watts on the generator on the other side. Yeah, so basically he can in the end disconnect this generator from power when this is, produces enough speed, and then system is self-sustained, and of course it gives 1500 approximately excess energy of watts. So let's see. So you can see that as is here described, is 1400 RPMs is at the motor. Yeah, so standard 50 Hz motor, and then first flywheel on the motor itself is 2.75 inches. This is transferred via belt to 5 inches. On the same shaft we have 8 inches wheel, so it will be again bigger speed. Yeah, so then on the 4 inches, so he'll get a little bit more in the end, 1576 RPM. Then on this shaft is also a flywheel, 10 kilograms. So this is what will give our free energy because of the momentum and the kinetical energy which will be produced by the motor. Yeah. And then on the same shaft is 9 inches transferred to the 4.5 inches, which will double the speed to 3146 RPM. So that's basically it. So what he says additionally to this very simple setup, if you ask me, but it was, let's say, experimented to be possible, is that these belts should be loose. They should not be tensioned too much. Yeah, these belts should be loose, that when this motor starts to spin, then they create some kind of torque. Yeah, in tension, they create tension on the wheels, which actually transfers itself to the kinetic energy. Yeah, increased by this flywheel, the 10 kilogram flywheel in the middle, which is drawn red. So basically this is the chamble flywheel system, which gives 3 times more output energy than the input energy. It can be self-sustained. Just when you reach the speed and you get this 2400 watts on the motor, you should be able to disconnect your motor from the supply and supply it from the generator. Plus you have an excess energy out of the system. So this is basically it. So
hello viewers, so that was a chamble flywheel system. You saw that it gives twice the output speed than we have the input speed on the motor. So basically 3000 some RPMs are on the output, and via this flywheel system and this loose system of belts, he is able to get free energy out of this flywheel system. Can it really work? Yeah, there is some videos on YouTube, please search them. You will see that this system does work. If it's a fake, I don't know, but it's a really interesting design, and it does have sense for this to work if kinetic energy can be preserved and with this tension actually increased in the whole system. So for this is for now it. I will explore a little bit more this flywheel system because there is many of them on the patent pages of the Google. So I will try to do one by one how I found them and try to explain them to you. So this is it for this video. Until next video, please stay tuned on my channel. Bye bye.